In today's video, we're going to recap the Kingston real estate market from last month. We're going to look at transactions, average days on market, and more. Let's get into it. Last month, there were 187 residential transactions in Kingston. That's up from the 179 that we had last month. Year to date, we're sitting at 658 transactions, and that's down 3% over the same time period last year. Homes on average stayed on the market for 32 days last month. That's up from the 26 that we had in April. Year to date, we're sitting at an average days on market of 39 days, and that's up 16% over the same time period last year. Last month, we had an average sale price of $634,000. That's down from the $676 that we had in April. Year to date, we're sitting at an average sale price of $610,000, and that's down 4% over the same time period last year. We finished May with 3 months worth of inventory. That's the same as what we had in April. Year to date, we're sitting at an average months of inventory of just under 4 months, and that's the same as what we had at this point last year. All right, let's break down these numbers a little further. The second quarter in Kingston usually accounts for 40% of the total transactions that happen over the course of the whole year. So usually right now it's a good indicator on how the market's performing. Through the first 2 months of Q2, sales are up 5%, which is of course a positive sign. But when we look at the numbers a little further, sales are down 33% when we compare to the first 2 months of Q2 in 2019, which is of course pre-pandemic. So as you can tell, June's going to be an important month to indicate how the market's performing over the course of the next little bit. Thank you for watching. See you next month.